Take a step back, relax, just connect. Contemplate on what's next, just do that. Quiet time is fun time for oneself. The best people in the world give time for themselves.
So guys, we previously tested the morning session. Let's get on with it with the PM session and see what we could have seen there. So we have the opening price there at 1:30 in the evening of the PM session, and then we have a short-term high here, checked as well, buy side, right? So I'm just gonna open all that. As you can see, I just removed that line there, so we just delete that because you've seen it on the previous video. And then this is what I like to see also. If we are gonna be bearish for the day, I like to see them drive price higher first and take out sell side, buy side. So which is basically what this is. It's buy side liquidity of that short-term high. I want them to take out a particular level, right? Just gonna add buy side there. Is this short-term high, because we have a candle that's high and a lower high and a lower high next to it on both its left and right side. So that's what I'm seeing here. And then also we have sell side. I thought it's going to take both of them if I mark both of them. So we have sell side there. You know, I think it would be nice, guys, if you comment and let me know what is it that I should back test first, right? So, and also we still have the previous days low sell side liquidity that they might hit, right? So we are assuming now that we saw this trade happening, right? So let's go to the 5-minute chart. So here, do you see how clean those highs are? Do you see that? Basically, it was just consolidation when the session opened, right? So I'm just gonna take this line. I'm just gonna move it over to this side, and then call it buy side. So above also. So above this New York AM open, we have buy side, and also above we have relative equal highs. Do you see that? So that's awesome. We came, moved high, and then we dropped. So do you think 1 minute gave us something there? Let's see. So let's just see what the 1 minute gave us. On the 1 minute, more detail is given. We have relative equal highs there. You see that? So let me just buy side, relative equal highs. So I'm not typing that in full because it's what I would see if I was the one who was trading this. So here, as we can see, the market moved from here to there, taking out those relative equal highs in that fair value gap. Do you see that? You see that small fair value gap right there? That little imbalance right there. So I'll be touching on that. Chain. Hit the fair value gap. Right? And then we took out the single low right there. So the reason why you are seeing that before I even annotated it is because I previously made a video, right, of me commentating on. I initially didn't analyze this like this before, but it's something close to this, but I didn't have my audio on when I don't know why my mic was not picking up the audio right. Anyway, we have a break in market structure because we have a swing low here. See that? Higher low, higher, lower high, and lower high next to it. Higher low, higher low, higher low. This is a higher low, a low that has a higher low and higher low next to it. So the market came, hit that fair value gap. Just gonna minimize it to that so that I can talk about this. Right, so it dropped aggressively afterwards. Did it give us a fair value gap there? Yes, there I can see it from there to there. Remember, in a fair value gap, we're only looking to buy if that range that gave us the fair value gap, I mean, is giving us something that we kind of like, right? So we came, moved higher. Why am I not using this one? Why am I not? We have a fair value gap here actually. That's where the fair value gap is. Why am I not using this one? Because this one is going to cause us. There's no fair value gap here above the new open price, the session open price, right? So here we have one. Market moves into that. So how long it gives us from this minute until this one? We have 10 minutes of drawdown, and then I'm just going to count 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we could have had like 17 minutes of 17 minutes of drawdown. So if we are going to be selling there, where have we taken our take profit? This is where we take our first partial, and then to get there it took like, I'm just gonna count from here, it took 34 minutes, right? This is where we'll be taking out our partials at. So for that, and then this is where we'll be taking, this is our ultimate get to price, right? So it's gonna be from here all the way to there. 62 minutes, 62 candles, meaning that's gonna be 62 minutes to our best case scenario. So here we'll be taking off partials so that in case that we are wrong, we know invariably that we paid the trader, right? So guys, when I'm trading, I'm looking for 2:1 ratio, and then up to so far I love the fact that I'm looking like I made a plan. When I was watching a certain video, I'll show you sometime here on the channel. So my goal after back testing 3 months, for 3 months, is to get like enough data as possible and get funded with that. I want to buy that $5,000 account. It's not much that should be achieved there, but I think there's something worth considering. So on this price, like, what do you see else that you could have seen as entries there? So the market still came above the opening price. It dropped to go this low. Do you see this swing low? Took that out, gave us a fair value gap right there. I also wanted to show you maybe a 50% here, right? 50% is just there. So as the market hits that 50% or above it, with even one tick will be entering there, putting a stop loss above that. Did it hit that? No, it didn't hit that. Right, and I love the fact that spread on VIX75 is not so much an issue. It's just beautiful. It's ultra tight, but VIX75 can be a beast at times. So even here we took out that short-term high. Do you see that we dropped, took out a short-term low here, but from there it was just too weak. It just kept on dropping and dropping and dropping. So this is what I could have seen as a breaker, because it breaks that high, then hits it there. I'm just gonna show it here. So yeah guys, we need to do by all means to pay the trader. We got to do that. We gotta pay the trader. So do you see how we took out sell-side liquidity on the previous day? Do you see how we took out previous days? This was the 7th and then this was the 6th, right? See how we took that out, right? Counter trend traders can take a trade there. So let's drop again on there. So this is what for me, it was easier to see like a turtle soup. I can see a turtle soup well, right? Like that's my trade that I can see most clearly. I love turtle soups because I can see them. And then right there, it makes a potential low of the day where we can be looking for a reversal in, right, into the daily range. So let's just eyeball it. On the 15th minute, it came, hit that level, and then created a short-term high, hit it there, creating what? Break it market structure. You see this high is broken, and then there's a fair value gap in here. Just gonna use crosshairs from this candle's high and candle after it's this one on its low there. So this fair value gap market came, consolidated, hit that, drove higher. And on the 5-minute chart, we have market came, dropped, took out liquidity below the previous day's low, and then drove higher, taking out this short-term high and that short-term high on the 1 minute. There would definitely be a short-term high there on the 1 minute. You see that? Took this one out, created a fair value gap, hit it. Did it take out that low? No. Dropped higher. It moved higher, taking out these relative equal highs, that high, and ultimately above the open, which is gonna act as support and resistance. So it's not my business for now to enter trades, but I did that before and I got smoked. So I thought to myself, you know what, it's better to comply with what you have been taught so that you can do what's beneficial for you, because I was not doing myself any favor whatsoever. So this move, when we opened, where's that opening? When we opened this one, when we went below and drove price higher, this is the Judas swing. The Judas swing. People will be looking to buy there, support and resistance, taking out buys with the trend lines, and then boom, they were taking out like crazy. Even on this side, we have a Judas swing. I love how we opened here and then market moved higher. So that's a Judas swing. Being said, I love you. Peace.
Take a step back, relax, just connect. Contemplate on what's next, just do that. Quiet time is fun time for oneself. The best people in the world give time for themselves.